Welcome back, students. And today we'll be dealing with the next topic, that is adjustment letter. We have already done claim letter. So whatever claims have been made by the customer is being adjusted by the particular company, that particular company. So it is known as the adjustment letter, since we are adjusting the claims. Now, adjustment letter is also known as complaint response letter, and also sometimes also called claim adjustment letter. Now, it is basically a response to a written complaint that has been filed by the customers. Now, these complaints could be for damaged goods, or incorrect bills, or delayed delivery, or even overdue payment. Now, in order to adjust those claims, uh, the company has to take certain measures, and those measures have been pinpointed as follows. सबसे पहले तो the company should identify the readers, यानी कि जिस कस्टमर ने वो क्लेम किया था एक पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में। जब कस्टमर्स क्लेम करते हैं अपने डैमेज गुड्स को लेके, या इनकरेक्ट बिल्स को लेके, या डिलेड डिलीवरी को लेके, या ओवरड्यू पेमेंट को लेके, तो ये बहुत ध्यान में रखना है कि we should identify the reader. It should be addressed, the adjustment letter should be addressed to a person who has filed the claim. किसी और को हम एड्रेस ना कर दें. सेकेंड है कि establish your objective. That is, you should inform the reader that the situation is being corrected. आप सिचुएशन को करेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. You should apologize for that, and that will make a difference. The third element is that you should determine the scope. सबसे पहले तो आप reiterate करें the relevant facts of claim. You accept the responsibility, you offer apology to the claimant, and so on. This will help you out to move on further. Now, then you should organize your letter in such a way that the points listed by you helps the reader to comprehend adjustments. आपका लेटर बिल्कुल ऑर्गेनाइज होना चाहिए. जितने पॉइंट्स हैं आप सीक्वेंस में उनको लिखें, ताकि रीडर को ये लगे, उसको ये फील हो दैट यस ही उसके प्रॉब्लम्स दूर हो जाएंगे, ही उसके एडजस्टमेंट्स हो जाएंगे, उसको परेशानी नहीं होगी. So, or whatever your letter should always be organized, and it should help the reader to comprehend adjustments. Next, draft the letter properly. That is, आपको बहुत wisely draft करना होगा letter को, so that it contains all the relevant information, and it helps the client, it helps the customer who has made the complaint to uh, to have that faith in the company that yes, his whatever he has claimed for will be given back to him. Now you have to close your letter also very properly. So you have to use a very professional manner of closing your letters, and you should use all those warm words like thank you, yours sincerely, and so on. Then always revise and review your एडजस्टमेंट लेटर्स. आप अपने जो एडजस्टमेंट लेटर्स जो आप भेज रहे हैं कस्टमर्स को, जिसने क्लेम किया है, उसको प्रॉपरली आप रिव्यू करें, एंड यू रिवाइज देम, सो दैट कहीं भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम, कहीं कुछ इश्यूज़, कहीं कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन जो आपको फर्निश करना था टू द क्लेमेंट, कहीं मिस ना हो जाए. So you have to be very particular, since on the part of your company is has done something wrong. So you should take every measures to correct those adjustments. Now you have to follow certain steps when you write a adjustment letter. Steps could be salutation. बहुत बढ़िया से आप डियर या जो भी है आप इसको अच्छे से किन्हीं को एड्रेस करें जिसने क्लेम के लिए आपको लिखा है। सेकंड, आपका जो इंट्रोडक्शन है इट शुड बी ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव नोट, बहुत पॉजिटिवली आप इंट्रोडक्शन को लिखें। थर्ड, write the main part of the letter in such a way that the reader feels, or the customer or the claimant feels, that yes, his adjustment will be taken care of, and उसको एक sort of उसको एक faith, एक belief हो जाएगा कि उसने जो भी lose किया है he will get it. And finally, आपका जो conclusion है it should be very well written, full of kind words, full of cooperation, so that again the reader feels that the company is showing a very positive attitude towards his adjustment. Now, you should always have a proof read of the whole letter. एक proof देख लें, उसके बाद उसको आप deliver करें. Then there are certain tips to write a adjustment letter. First of all, write the subject. अगर आप ईमेल में भेज रहे हैं अपने लेटर को ईमेल के थ्रू, तो उसमें सब्जेक्ट ज़रूर मेंशन करें। कुछ छोटे छोटे टिप्स जो आपको ध्यान देना होगा। और बहुत कम समय में आप write in a very short, whatever you are writing in whichever media or way you are using, you should be very quick enough. You should take shortest time possible to contact your customer. Then you should always focus on the solution, not on the problem. Then you should always have a positive tone throughout. Then please do focus on the specific and the relevant facts. Irrelevant और ऐसी बातें ना करें जिससे उस क्लेम का या उस एडजस्टमेंट का कोई मतलब नहीं है. Don't use abusive language. Use a language which is very comfortable and very friendly. Never promise anything that violates the company's policy. कुछ ऐसा ना promise कर दें आप adjustment देने में जो आपकी कंपनी के खिलाफ हो. Don't make excuses, क्योंकि आपको सिर्फ apology करना है. Show your company and show the reader that your company takes his matter very seriously. आपको ये फील कराना होगा कस्टमर को जिसने क्लेम किया है कि आपका कंपनी भी उतनी ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट शो कर रहा है उसके एडजस्टमेंट्स को पूरा करने में. एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी जनरस. कभी कभी हो सकता है कि आपको कुछ डिस्काउंट देना पड़े, कुछ उसको गिफ्ट देना पड़े उस कस्टमर को जब वो नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर अपना परचेज करता है. नाउ एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, यू हैव टू मेक हिम सेटिस्फाइड with your response. आप जो भी एडजस्टमेंट करने जा रहे हैं that should satisfy the claimant. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है to pacify the claimant and his demands. So this was all about adjustment letters. As per the sample of adjustment letters I'll be uploading in the WhatsApp group. Please do check. And perhaps the last topic is left, that is social correspondence, which I will be doing tomorrow. Till then, it's a bye from me. Have a good day.